Alright, I'm here at Splash just outside Unit 501 on the East Tower. So this is kind of like buying a 2-bedroom and a studio. There are separate Kaba locks on all the 3 doors. Those are very expensive locks. And this one's been remodeled and just beautiful. So it's got tile floor all throughout. When I come into this little studio or lock-off apartment, it's got the full-size bathroom, the kitchenette. It's got the views out to the Gulf, its own balcony out there, with great views. I don't think you'd have to do much at all in this one. It's totally rental ready. You've got this angled window right here, which is kind of cool too. At nighttime, you're looking down Front Beach Road. You're also looking over towards the Gulf. Super cool little feature that Splash did. So this rents as a 3-bedroom, just over 1,700 square feet total. When I come into this part of the condo, this is the kids' room. So you got bunk with the twin over the top. Their own mounted TV. Another balcony for the kids. There's their views. Great Gulf views from that balcony too. And this is 5th floor, so it's not too high up for those people that are afraid of heights. The bathroom for the kids and for anyone else that's sleeping, if there's people on a sofa, the bathroom's right here. It's got nice decorating. Here's the kitchen. I forgot to turn the light on in the kitchen, my fault. There's recessed lights that I just forgot to click on. Even from the kitchen sink, there's a full floor-to-ceiling window right there. So great views over the dining room. There's your views out there. It's cool, you can look all the way down, all the way out. I'll get the light behind me and show you the whole living room, but all the furniture is nice. You really don't have to do much of anything in this one. It's all rental ready to go. This has the big balcony that's got all the way in front of the master bedroom and the living room. Views out to the Gulf. I helped a guy buy Unit 601 in the other building, in the West Tower, and he does. His first year, he did almost $80,000 in renting it himself. So these are actually a really good rental. And that's a king-size bed, and then you've got nightstands on both sides. Your Gulf front with your master bedroom as well. Into master bathroom, you have the separate soaker tub and separated shower. And the double vanity. Alright, I'll take you out on the balcony real quick. Let you see your views. Couple chairs and table plus a lounger. We're stuck out pretty far, so there's your views all the way down the whole beach. Just phenomenal views. You can see today's a pretty clear day, so you can see all the way to the end, which is Treasure Island. Here's your views down to the pool. The East Tower is a little more adult. The West Tower is a little more kids. There's your views looking out to the west. The West Tower has all the kids' play area and stuff in there. Alright, so that's Splash Unit 501 East. Just a great rental, great layout. I love Splash. I love the 3 bedrooms.